everybody, welcome back to Drinks and Drip. We got your three now regulars. We've got Dad, Thomas, and little bro. Who just made that sigh sounds like, look what he dragged me into. So we've got a Stitchfix here. I encourage you to go back to our original video. If you're not familiar with Stitchfix, here's the quick 30 seconds on it. Stitchfix is a subscription, say that 5 times fast, clothing box. You can do it for men, women, and even kids. You tell them what you want, they try to pick it out, and it's $25 styling fee up front.
No way.
Yep. But you don't pay for the clothes up front. You open the box, isn't that amazing? You try it on, it's amazing. And if you see if you like it, whatever you keep, you get a credit for the $25.
That's pretty good.
So if you get a t-shirt, it's $25. You pay $25, how much do you owe?
Nothing.
Little bro beats him to the punch. Okay, so we've been doing this for a few times. This is our 4th video. We're regulars going to try to get through this fast because we know people just like unboxing, and what else are you going to do? It's COVID times. So let's get into it. So here we go. We're going to open the Stitchfix tape, which is actually engineered by NASA to be very difficult to get into. Now when you open, yeah, give it a pull there, little bro. Okay. Almost tore apart the whole box. Okay. Now.
Pretty good packaging.
Now, as you would get this, you know what this is?
Something.
Return envelope, in case you want to turn things back in.
I need that.
You need that. Okay. So, now, one thing you can do is, when you log in the app after you've been on there for a while, even the mystery stuff, you can add like little regulars. Now, what I discovered is, for short, we call them low tops. What do they call it? Low top sneakers? Or just like... you don't want like big long socks with it. So they have these no-shows. You might like these, Thomas. So they just cover so you don't see the sock when you're wearing the shoe. What do you think about that?
It's pretty interesting.
Yeah. So you may want some of those. So that I paid for extra. That was like $10 or something. So let's get into it. Now, okay. The other thing you get.
Something.
Let me pull this out. First, you get the Styled For You. They send you the card. It says thanks. For getting our box, and what they do is they'll take things that you've bought before and their new box, because sometimes we have trouble organizing what to wear. Like, don't you have that trouble? Like, does this shirt go with the pants?
Oh, yeah.
Then it puts it together with you, so you know. And to be honest, I've never worn what they told me to wear and had someone go back home and try again. So it works out pretty well. Now we pulled out this sheet. This is the sheet that has the damage on it. And we'll show that at the end. There's no point. That would ruin it.
What?
So on that sheet, they show the price for each item in there. So you can decide if you want to keep it or if it costs too much.
Oh.
Yeah, so it tells you. Okay, so first we have...
Is that 2 pairs?
It's a 1 pair of blue jeans.
Oh, I see.
They're kind of dancing around. We'll hold them in front of Thomas' face. Now there's a pair of blue jeans. We may have to do a quick snap. Oh, look, he's hiding in the pants there. So that's weird. So we got blue jeans. I don't know if I need blue jeans right now. I got a whole bunch of good ones on the previous videos, but they're not bad looking, are they? What do you think? Just like blue jeans?
I don't think you can
I
mess
like
up blue jeans.
but
You can't mess up blue
good.
jeans? You can't mess it up. I agree.
But
So they're good. The question is, do I need them and how much? So
that's true.
we'll figure that out after. You guys can help me with that. What we have is just a t-shirt.
Blue shirt.
A blue,
Looks
just
like
like,
something you would wear, Dad.
it's kind of a dad shirt, like the plain, no design. But frankly, it's kind of, you don't want too many designs on your shirts when you get to a certain age.
That's true.
Don't you think it would look like a little try hard?
Yeah.
Like if I walked around with like Pokemon shirts on. Colin's like, I'm moving out of the country. Here is another t-shirt.
Another blue t-shirt.
Okay.
Oh, that's funny.
Is that like the one you're wearing?
It's very similar. Actually, this is
yeah.
actually no. Look at this. This is a
It has
Henley.
a button.
It's got a button there, so it's a Henley. So it's a little more fancy and refined. You could have it with your tea on the weekends. So, another t-shirt.
Oh, like a t-shirt.
Now, here is
Something.
a button
I
down
don't know.
with some sleeves.
The color is a little.
What do you think?
I don't know how I feel about it.
Here, turn around and see if you like it.
Yeah. I don't like it.
You do or don't?
I don't.
Is
I
it the
like
color or the pattern?
both.
It almost, I like the color, but it does look a little bit like digital camouflage. You know?
No. I just don't think it looks well with the type of shirt it is going for.
Okay.
Like it looks like it wants to be formal, but then it's not very.
Now here's just some like green, light green shorts.
Those probably.
These are hybrid stretch, so they probably go with that to match. But they could probably go with anything else because they got a little blue. Do you have anything against those shorts, guys?
It's not bad. I don't. It still has that kind of green. I don't really like green that much.
So it's a green color. So it's a personal preference.
Yeah.
You're not judging those shorts for someone else?
Well, yeah. If you like, it's probably just because I don't like the color green, but like the quality itself isn't bad at all.
The quality itself isn't bad. Okay. So now we're going to tell you what the damage is, okay? When I say damage, I mean the price. So that short sleeve green shirt that looked like camo, $88. But there's a trick at the end. These guys don't know about it yet. There's the Henley, that one with the button on it. That's $36. The other V t-shirt's $29.50. The shorts, the green shorts, those are $59. The jeans are $89. Now here's the kicker. If you buy everything, you get 25% off. So that takes almost $76 off if you buy everything.
Oh crap, that's a lot.
So you can see the incentive they get you, right? It's like if you get, it's a plus and a minus. It incentivizes you to get everything, but let's say you like everything, but one thing is like, I'll never wear that.
That's true.
But then you don't get the bonus.
But then it's.
So the truth is, I got this before I came to see you guys, and it's been more than time, so I have to keep it. Luckily, I like it, so we're going to keep it, and this will kind of finish out my summer wardrobe because I didn't have a lot of clothes. So it is $220, but it's a pair of jeans, 2 shirts, and a pair of shorts. Which for grown-ups, I know kids is a little cheaper. For grown-ups, that's not too bad. Was there any? Did you think it was okay? What was your thoughts overall?
I think.
It's good.
Well, I understand what he's saying because he's more younger, and this type of clothes, I guess, aren't really like he likes more of the graphic type.
Is that true? Is that
like I would expect?
No, it's just like colors and stuff.
Yeah, you don't like the colors as much, or you do?
I mean, like blue and green.
You do like blue and green?
Not really.
What are your favorite colors when you wear clothes?
Probably like red.
Red and gray.
Yeah, mostly we have grays and reds.
Black.
You got your right side,
Yeah.
which I think you got on one of the previous videos, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go watch. Thomas had some other clothing unboxings.
Yeah, watch it.
Watch it, and who knows?
Wow.
Maybe we'll do one unboxing clothes for little bro. That might be kind of interesting.
No. I don't know.
Or maybe he can comment when you're doing them.
Maybe.
Maybe. So it's good to get perspective from everyone.
It's true.
It's good to have you guys here. Thank you for your feedback. Pretty quick video. Go watch the other Stitchfix videos. Watch the main one. It's got about 1,000 views. Our intro to Stitchfix. We're blowing it up.
Yo.
Thomas has some big sneaker videos on there. Go check those out. Until then, watch everything, right?
Yes.
Yes.
What specific things should we do? Have them do?
Comment.
Like,
Subscribe.
turn on notifications.
And when you turn on notifications, you're really ringing that bell, ringing that bell, ringing that bell, ringing that bell. All right, until next
Make
time.
sure they're on.
Make sure the bell is on. Don't leave the bell off, and then someone. How will you know someone's home if you don't have the bell on? Okay, that's enough. That's a wrap. Peace out, everyone.
Good. Peace.
And peace. All right, good job, guys.
That was cringy.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And welcome, Drinks and Drippers. Today we have. What did I do so funny? What was funny about that? Okay, we're starting over.
Drinks
3,
and
2,
drippers.
3. I do that on other videos. You wanna watch it?
No.
All right, 3, 2, one. And welcome back, drinks and drippers. I've got.
Don't.
Am I supposed to do
no,
that?
don't think of something else. Not
Okay, let's start over. 3,
That's so cringy.
2, 1. Welcome, Double D's. This is.